Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make a 1 kg Black Forest cake with a cute doll cake theme. To start with, I have baked two 5 inches chocolate sponge cakes and I have sliced them into 5 equal layers. For the filling, I am using sugar-free Morello cherry jam which is packed with juicy cherry chunks. I'm also adding chopped sugar-coated cherries and dark chocolate chips instead of traditional shredded chocolate for that rich bite in every layer. To soak the sponge, I'm preparing a cherry syrup using 2 teaspoons of cherry jam mixed in half cup of warm water. It keeps the cake moist and flavorful. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to decorate this Black Forest cake in a beautiful doll cake style, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Hope you liked the video. In my next one, I'll show you how to make the cute fondant doll topper that I used in this cake, so don't miss it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such fun and creative cake ideas. Thanks for watching and see you soon.